The min and max formulas in Google Sheets can be pretty handy. In our sample data here, in the second column, I have bolded the minimum and maximum values to make them stand out a little bit. Let's see if we can use the min and max formulas to have Google Sheets tell us what those values are. For the minimum, we will type equals min, min, open up our parentheses, and you'll see that it takes one required argument, but then gives you the option for multiple optional arguments as well, and you can tell because they are bracketed here, indicating that they are optional. So one thing you could do is, let's pass it multiple cells. That's pretty inefficient. You probably don't want to do it that way for in most situations. So instead we can give it a whole range. So I'm just going to click on this first cell, drag down, and it's going to auto-populate that range in our formula here. We can close the parentheses, press enter, and 900. So that is the correct minimum for that range of values. You can also pass it multiple ranges. So for example, if your data was in two separate areas on your sheet and you wanted to know the minimum of, those two separate ranges, you can, do it like this, where you have two different ranges passed in as arguments. Press enter. That gives us this one. I'm going to press Control Z just to revert back. So it's only looking at this column now. Max works the same exact way, equals max, open our parentheses. I'm just going to give it this column right here, close our parentheses, press enter, and it gives us 2100. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and if there's something I could do to improve these videos or make them easier to understand, please let me know what it is in the comments.